At the hairdresser. Before we start, watch these words. Pause the video and study them. Hello, welcome to Style Studio.
Hi, thank you.
Do you have an appointment today?
Yes, my name is Sophie.
Great, Sophie. I see your name here.
Perfect, thank you.
Please, come this way.
Okay, thank you.
Can I take your coat?
Yes, here you go.
Please, sit in this chair.
Thank you. It is very comfortable.
Would you like some water or tea?
Water, please.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
So, Sophie, what would you like today?
I want a new haircut.
Okay, short or long?
Not too short. Maybe medium length.
I understand. Do you want layers?
Yes, I like layers. I like how they look.
Good choice. Layers add volume.
That sounds great.
Do you want a straight or curly style?
I want it straight, please.
How much would you like to cut off?
Maybe 2 inches. Not too much.
Okay, 2 inches is good.
Will my hair still be long?
Yes, it will still be shoulder length.
Perfect. That's what I want.
Great. I will show you a picture.
Oh, I like this style very much.
Wonderful. We can do this style.
Thank you, Marco.
Do you want to color your hair today?
Yes, I am thinking about getting it colored.
What color do you like?
Maybe light brown highlights.
Light brown highlights are very popular.
Will it look natural?
Yes, very natural and soft.
Okay, let's do the highlights.
Great choice. It will look beautiful.
I am excited to see it.
Please come to the wash station.
Okay,
Please lean your head back into the sink.
like this?
Yes, perfect. Is the water too hot?
No, it feels good.
I will wash your hair now.
Thank you. That feels relaxing.
Now I will add some conditioner.
It smells very nice.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Yes, I am going to a friend's birthday party.
That sounds fun. Where is the party?
It is at a restaurant downtown.
Nice. You will look great with your new hair.
Thank you, Marco. I am excited.
Okay, let's rinse your hair now.
Sounds good.
Let's go back to the chair.
Okay,
I will start cutting your hair now.
okay, I am ready.
Please sit still and relax.
I will.
I will start with the back.
Sounds good.
Is the length okay so far?
Yes, it looks great.
Now I will add the layers.
Okay, take your time.
Layers will give your hair more movement and volume.
That sounds nice.
I am cutting small sections carefully.
It looks really good already.
Thank you. Almost finished with the layers.
I cannot wait to see the final look.
Just a few more minutes.
No problem. I am patient.
Would you like bangs? Some people also call them a fringe.
I am not sure.
Bangs can look very stylish.
Maybe just side-swept bangs.
Good idea. That will suit your face.
Okay, let's try that.
Now I will blow dry your hair.
Okay,
Is the temperature comfortable?
yes, it is perfect.
I'm using a round brush for volume.
My hair looks so shiny.
Thank you. Almost done drying.
It is looking amazing already.
Just a few more minutes.
Sure.
Here is a mirror. What do you think?
Wow, I love it.
The layers look very natural.
Yes, and the color is beautiful.
The bangs suit your face very well.
Thank you so much, Marco.
You are welcome. I am so happy you like it.
This is exactly what I wanted.
I recommend this shampoo for colored hair.
Oh, does it protect the color?
Yes, it keeps the color bright longer.
That sounds useful. I will take one.
We also have a matching conditioner.
Okay, I will take that too.
Great choice. They work very well together.
Perfect. Thank you for the recommendation.
Your total today is $55.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Would you like to book your next appointment?
Yes, please. What is your next available appointment?
I have an opening in 6 weeks.
That works well for me.
Great. I will write it down for you.
Thank you so much, Marco.
Thank you for coming today, Sophie.
Thank you, Marco. I love my new hair.
Have a wonderful weekend.
You too. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.